Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer contact from phone to SIM card. Let's get started. Open your contacts app on your phone. Then if you want to transfer your contact from phone to SIM card, we're going to click on this button. Then there will be several options for you, and you're going to click on manage contacts right here. And since we want to move the contact, we have to click on move contacts. But if you want to import or export contact, you can simply click on import or export contacts. Right, and we have to choose phone right here because we want to move the contact from the phone. Then choose the contact that you want to move, and this is the contact that already on my phone, and I'm just going to select the contact, and after that we can click done right here. Alright, and choose the SIM card that you want to transfer your contact to, and I'm going to choose SIM 1 right here. Alright, and click OK. And we gotta click on move right here. Just click on move right here. Alright guys, that's how we can transfer contacts from phone to SIM card. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.